Hello everybody, welcome back, new day, new video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post images with your tweets, something like this, but programmatically. Now when you want to post media with your tweets, there are certain constraints, certain guidelines that you have to follow. For example, suppose you have an image, let's say this image, alright, let's call it the dead king or whatever. So you need to upload it first to the Twitter servers. They will give you a media ID, and that media ID will have to be transferred along with the tweet that you're trying to submit. So the first step in image upload would be to acquire a media ID for your media. So let's get started. No further ado, and import the library that we need. So from from request 0auth import 0auth1 session, and what else do we need? Import JSON. Right, I already have a script ready. So if you guys haven't been following me, you guys can get all the code on my GitHub account. The links will be in the description. So what we need right now are these URLs. So I'm just going to grab them from here. URL media, and where's my Python shell? There it is. Let me just rename this window. Alright. So we have the URL of media, and we want the actual tweet URL. So let's get this, copy that URL. Alright, and we have these. So now the next thing you guys would want to do is set up the params. But before that, let's get the media ID. So what you guys would want to do is declare a variable, call it media, and open a file. That file would be python.jpg. That's the current file in my directory. So as you guys can see, this is python.jpg. So media is equal to we're going to open this python.jpg, and this is going to be a read binary, so all the raw binary format would be here. Alright, now let's set up our params. So files is equal to dictionary object. The parameter has to be media, and then we're going to pass in our media file. Alright, so if we print this out, as you can see, this is a buffer reader object and media. Next thing that we would want to do is initiate a session. So to initiate a session, first of all, I would like to load the credentials file in a variable, credits.txt, read lines. Alright, so we have credentials right now. I'm not going to print them out because they are real credentials to my Twitter account. So let's get this on. Create a session variable, and we're going to create a 0auth1 session object, and this is going to be creds, the first element from the list, creds1.strip. The reason why I'm using strip at the end, because it has a new line character which we don't want. creds3.strip. Is that okay? Yep. So alright, we have a session object. Now what we want to do is get media ID is equal to session.post URL media, and files would be is equal to files. Right, now let's see the status code of this. If it's 200 means it's okay, we got the media ID. What you would want to do is click on text. Text gives us the JSON format that we received. Now the next thing we should do is import JSON, because we need the JSON value. We need to extract it, and let's load this. So media ID in JSON is equal to get media ID dot text. Okay, nope, we have to use this JSON dot loads. One thing, if you are familiar with the JSON, if you have JSON you're confused about, loads means load string, and load means just load the actual binary file. Anyhow, now if we go and get the media ID, yep, so there's the media ID. Now the process is quite simple, just like posting a tweet. What you guys would want to do is create params for posting a tweet. So status would be, this is my tweet with an image. Media is going to be media IDs. So the reason why we are putting media IDs, the S over here, because we would want to submit multiple images. The maximum images that Twitter can take at once is, I think, 3 along with a GIF, or I think it's just 3 and a solo GIF and a solo video. I could be totally wrong over here, but we'll check that out later. So we're going to get the media ID, close the quotes, and finish the params. So let me print the params. Alright, we have the params over here, and the next thing we'd want to do is post a tweet. So session, which is our session object, dot post, simple URL, params is equal to params, and let's see the status code. So post tweet dot status code, which is 200. That's good. That means it would have uploaded our image. Let's refresh, and the suspense is killing me. Alright, so this is my tweet with an image, just like we programmed it over here. If you want the code, you can get it from my GitHub account. Like I said, links will be in the description. Do start it if you like the code. Thank you very much for watching. If you dislike this video, dislike it. If you like this video, like it. And if you have any questions, concerns, comments, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.